We can see our patient as you see before. And now what I'm going to do is we're going to open the two flap here and a little bit here. Make a small cut. And then here I want to take this palatinal. So I'm going to cut this way a little bit of curvy here and going here, and the shape will help me now to have it in more nice way. So I do it here and I do it on the other side as well. So we're going here and take this form going to the perios and cut this way. Okay, and open a small flap. We don't need to open a big flap. Okay, is enough. And then I open here a little bit on the palatinal aspect. And now you can see that we have a narrow bone. I'm going to the other part here, to the left side. Open palatinally and you see that we have a narrow bone. Now, these two are open. Through the stand, I can drill my first marking and see if the position is the correct position that I want to have. So I'm going here. Okay. And then we go to the other one. It's okay the direction. I'm going in and out. The bone is soft. I will try to give the direction that I need. Okay, I see that I have here 13 millimeter. So for me, the osteotomy is ready. And this is so simple. I can go with the implant now directly. And remember, it's a 2 millimeters drill, that's all. Now I take the implant and position it, and you see here that the implant, only one thread and the implant is engaged, and I can really give the direction that I want for this implant. So I'm going like this, and I see that it's going very smooth. It's no problem for me to go. It's easy for me now to change the direction of the implant and to put it more palatinally. For this I would like to use this instrument. So I put it here, and you can see the direction here, and I can change the direction a little bit and give the direction that I want. Place the implant in this final position, and now I can check the torque of the implant to see if it's good for immediate loading. And now you see that I'm around 40 Newton, and this is very good for me. So now we can take the narrow abutment, 7 millimeter. I can place this abutment here inside. So I can take this uni-grip screw and just screw it inside. Screw it inside. You see that the holes, the implant is bigger than the hole. But if you see the thread of the implant, this is the name, it's called active. They have some thread that condense and conus that condense between. So even if it's bigger, when I make a little bit vertical pressure and just put it, it gets stable very easily. So I can go now in the direction that I want. Let's say, for example, I want to go in this direction, buccally, because I want to be more, to take some more bone for the palatinal area and condense it toward buccal. So I can go halfway like this, and now, when I have more bone from the palatinal area, I can change my direction and make it to be parallel to the place I want. So look how easy and fast it's going, and look here how it's going to expand here the bone that I have. So this ridge now is become to be wider. And then we take the other narrow abutment, the straight one. This is a beautiful connection because it's a 12 degree more tapered with the hexagon that going inside, and this is a biological sealing. Now I can take the torque control and close it to a 35 Newton to be sure that the abutment is closed in a nice way. This means that the implant, of course, is more than 35 Newton because it's stable. What we need to do is really just to make the suture. I'm going here for the papilla. Okay. More nice. So I take the scissor and then make the next one. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take a rubber dam, place one of it here. Open here, please. Okay. You can see now that I take a composite. It's a normal iron crown. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to give the direction that I want to give to this tooth. And then what we do here is just cure it. So we like to present our patient now. So let's see what is the result that we get. So you can see the adaptation that we have here, the gingiva that we gain here. It was a defect before, but now it looks better, as you see. Then you can see here the adaptation. It's very nice, very small flap. Now the patient have his mouth. You can close please. Smile like $1 million, okay. And you can see yourself and you can see the smile that you have. You see the smile?
Mm-hmm.
You think you like it?